Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have ASUS ROG Phone 9 and I want to show you how to add event to your calendar on this device. Starts off opening your calendar application. In it, we must tap on day when we want to add our event, maybe 24th of January, and there this plus icon and event. First step, we can add title of our event. In this part, we can access this event to group about what is it, about our family, member, house or something like that. There we can turn on and turn off, it will be all day event, or we can set in which time event starts and finish, what you prefer. In this part we can tap on repeat our event if we need it. We can add this event to people calendar. We can make also video conference when event starts, add location of our event when we need it. And there we can add some notification and we can add more than one. Change color of our notification, add description and attachment. After you set all you need, press save. And that's all, we have our event in our calendar right now. Thanks for watching, bye!